Okay guys, I'm here to service my 2016 Mercedes E350. Just doing an oil filter change today, nothing more than that, so we'll get cracking. I'll start the engine up, I'll get it on the ramps first and let the engine warm up. Going to let the engine warm up and help the oil to drain quicker. It makes it a lot thinner, makes it easier. Just give it 5 minutes running. I had to take the belly pan off to get to the sump. It's an 8mm, and I will show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but these going around underneath, you have to set that belly pan off. Not very good on the camera, to be honest, but that's what. Turn the engine off now. Right guys, I've taken a couple of the bolts out for the front belly pan, but there's a long one in the middle as well going behind the gearbox. You have to get them by the side, quite difficult, but nothing you can do, is there? It is indeed. Don't know how well you can see that, but it'll come flying out now. Go and clean that up. What I'll do here, I'll take the old crush washer off. Brand new one, which is fine. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, the oil filler cap, you see that? The bit that's at the back, and we need to take this off. It's only on a couple of rungs, and couples at the front. And put that out of the way. Take the filler cap off. The oil is still draining, probably empty by now. It's been 10 minutes since I did it. Nothing showing on there at all. Okay guys, it's empty now. It's been 10 minutes since I drained the oil. What I'll do, I'll put the sump plug back in next, put the belly pans back on, tighten everything up underneath, and then I'll stick it in neutral and just roll it off the ramps. Then it's just a matter of changing the oil filter and topping up the oil. So don't know if you can see this, but the oil filter is here on top. It's really easily accessible. Let's see if it's how tight it is. No, not too bad at all, that. What I'll do, I'll get a piece of old cardboard, stick it on that. There's the housing. There's the old oil filter. Put that out of the way. New oil filter I got from Eurocar Parts. It was £8. I found, where have we got the cheapest one? It's there's U-ring important. Just make sure, take the old one off. New one on. Just make sure it's in the same groove that it was in originally, which it is. And don't forget, there's a little rubber O-ring, if we can get the little bugger. Which goes on the very end of this, if you can see. Probably nothing wrong with them, but you get the new one, so bang them on. That's what they thought. In fact, that just broke, it's quite brittle, so due to be replaced. Slips on easy enough. The filter just pushes into the centre. In the middle, tighten up. Just going to do it hand tight again, there's no need to go too. Last time I did it, it was only hand tight, and you could see it's quite difficult to get off, so it doesn't have to be tightened up too hard. Those seals, rubber seals, will crush. I found a good seal. Right, I'm happy with that. And that is your oil filter done. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just take it off the ramps. Right guys, the hardest thing now is putting that belly pan on again. It goes over halfway down the car. It's a long one, but protects everything underneath, I suppose. Right, crack on with that. I'll speed that up. Be a bit boring. The guy's going to check the oil. Just put about a gallon in just over, so I'll leave a little bit more in. Just on the bottom, so a bit more in.
settle, check again, give it a few minutes. In the meantime, I'll make a cup of tea. Check it out again. That's more like it. We'll give it a run in a bit, let it circulate, and then recheck the final measurements. And it's just a matter of putting the plastic cover on. Right guys, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment. And until next time, it's goodbye from me. Just give it a quick run now. Don't forget to recheck for your final measurements. All sorted. Take care.